Are you tired of worrying about your vehicle's safety? Coming soon. Welcome to Indian Motors. Key point, Sumarpur. One stop for your luxury car. Help Center. Car ECM remaining. Center for Speed. PDF. EGR. DTC. Problem Permanent Solution Indian Motors and KeyWiki. 92929207. What is innovative device keeps your car safe and secure? Let's dive into what makes this tracker so special. First, it offers real-time GPS tracking. You can monitor your vehicle's location on your smartphone. Second, the built-in dashcam records every drive. In case of accidents, you have video evidence. Next, it alerts you to any suspicious movements. If someone tries to tamper with your vehicle, you'll know immediately. Installing the device is straightforward. Simply attach it to your car's power source and connect to the app. After setup, you can access everything from your phone. Imagine knowing exactly where your vehicle is at all times, or having peace of mind with dashcam footage. This device is perfect for families and businesses alike. For families, it protects loved ones. For businesses, it secures assets and monitors drivers. In summary, this GPS tracker with a dashcam enhances vehicle safety. Stay connected and informed wherever you go. Don't miss out. Secure your vehicle today. Click the link below to learn more and purchase yours now.